Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Azzacky. I come from SMP Negeri Unggul and I will perform the storytelling with the title Danau Toba. Once upon a time, there was a prosperous village in faraway island called Sumatra. In northern part of the island lived a farmer named Toba. He lived alone in a hut by a small forest. He grew rice and vegetables. Once time, he wanted to catch some fish, so he went to the river and fished there. He was very surprised when he got a big fish. The fish was as big as human being. He planned to cook the fish for his dinner at night. He got his home in the afternoon and he took a bath. And after that, he come back for his bedroom and he was very shocked. Do you know what happened? There was a very beautiful girl in his bedroom. For a moment, Toba was speechless. Who are you? Why are you there? Said Toba for the girl. Sorry I surprised you, Mr. Toba, but you took me here. I was the fish that you caught in the river, and then I become for human again. I would like thank you for you, Mr. Toba. Where? Were you the fish? Yes. Look at your kitchen. Then Toba go to the kitchen and see the gold coin instead. Why are some gold coin in my kitchen? Said Toba. Oh, gold coin is mine, Mr. Toba. When I become for human again, my scalp becomes a gold coin too. Oh, like that? Okay, you can leave me in my house. Then, since that day, the beautiful girls lived in Toba's house. Since she was very beautiful, Toba fell in love with her, and they got married. Several months later, the girl married with Toba in one condition. Tell anybody about her past. Then Toba's wife was pregnant and they got a baby boy, handsome baby boy. Toba named him Samosir. And soon he grew up. But Samosir was a lazy boy. When his father working in the field, grow rice and vegetable, he just slept, and he always talked alone and ate alone. Toba go to the farm early at the morning, and the midday, his wife bring the food for him. Once time, the Toba's wife forced their son bring the food for him. Son, wake up! Go to the farm and bring the food for your father. He needs the food. He must be very tired and hungry now. But mom, I'm tired and hungry too, says Samosir for his mother. What's make you tired? You just wake up. Go now. Your father need the food. Then Samosir did not go to the farm immediately. He stopped in somewhere in the street and he ate the lunch Toba. And then when the afternoon he got the father farm. Toba was angry released their son ate the lunch. And then he said angrily, Oh, you are a stupid lazy boy. You are son of the fish. Then Samosir was sad. So he went to home and said for his mother what happened. The Toba's wife was shocked. Oh, Toba, you break your promise, so I cannot leave you anymore. And then the situation was changed. Samosir, go to the hill and find the tallest tree and climb it. Why, mom? What happened? Don't ask any question. Go now. Then the area was flooded and became a big lake which named Lake Toba. In the middle of the lake, there is an island called Samosir Island. To be continued. And the marvelous with the story is keep your promise with your friend or your family and anything people keep your promise. That's very much. Thank you very much for the story. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.